The LockMate from Milescraft is the perfect jig for DIYers looking to replace doors around the house. No need to be a pro. Any level of user can install hardware quickly and accurately. Setup couldn't be simpler. First, measure the door. Attach the spacer plate to the doors measuring 1 3/8 inches, or remove the plate for doors with 1 3/4 thickness. Doorknobs and deadbolts have two common back sets, 2 3/8 inches and 2 3/4 inches. Most are adjustable to either setting. Make sure to measure other hardware in the home to assure uniformity. To set the back set on the LockMate, simply insert the removable drill guide to the appropriate setting. The drill guide has a stepped profile to help prevent damage and extend the life of the jig. To mount, measure the appropriate handle height and mark a line on the door. Place the LockMate on the door with the line centered and mount using provided mounting screws. You're set and ready to go. High-quality, cobalt-infused bimetal hole saws make quick work when drilling any interior or exterior door. The bits are designed for use with any door material: wood, composite, hollow core, or metal door. The 2 1/8 inch hole saw cuts the hole for both handles and deadbolts. Drill from one side until the pilot tip exits the door. Then continue drilling from the other side to prevent tear out. Switch to the 1 inch hole saw to cross-bore the perfect hole for latches. With the holes drilled, the hardware can now be installed. With the LockMate from Milescraft, drilling holes in new door installation projects is fast and affordable. Having the right tools makes all the difference. It's so simple, anyone can do it. Milescraft, always the better idea.